Hey guys, what's going on? So, working on our weekend project of heading out to the Oregon Redwoods and the coast, and finding out that Final Cut Pro 10 doesn't support the 240 frames per second that the GoPro Hero 6 is shooting. So, unfortunately, some of the shots that I took are in that range, so we got to work on that. But while I'm working on that, I decided to head out and do some drone practice. So here's a short video of that, and I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Happy New Year to everyone, and we'll talk to y'all later. But first, here's Mr. Hercules.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Well, hope you all enjoyed the video, and yeah, we're gonna get back to doing some photo work. Who knows, might go out for a hike later, but anyways, we'll see y'all later.